Today we're in downtown McLean because just a short stroll away, there's a house you're going to want to see. It's on a private cul-de-sac with 6 bedrooms. I'm Fass. What are we waiting for? Let's go inside. The home is unique in both design and features, but what I love most is the sun-filled kitchen. Are you ready to brighten up your days? Morning coffee, surrounded by nature. A glass of wine while entertaining, or a festive gathering with luscious views. Where else do you find an indoor grill? Get fired up for your new life. You're just minutes from the shops, restaurants, and treats of downtown McLean. Plus, right down the street are all the fun activities at McLean Community Center. If you want fast results and a huge home near downtown McLean, your next chapter is waiting.